to show you how you can make money online in a simple way. You can make unlimited money with this way. You can make unlimited money $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10, even $20 for just a second. Spending 1 minute of your time just doing a particular task, you are going to be making a lot of money. At the end of the day, you are going to be making $100 per day. So I will show you how you can make $100 per day for just completely simple task. Let us get started. If you don't know me, my name is God's Power, and I make video like this a way on how you can make money online. As you can see on my YouTube channel here, I make video like this every day, a way on how people can make money online, a way on how people like you can make money online. You can check my channel out to see what is suitable to what you want and start using the method to start making money online for completely free. So to get started, just click on the first link and to head over to this website that you can use to make money online. But what you just need to do for me now, before you click on that link, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and click that like button and leave your comment in the comment section below. That will help me to understand that you really watch this video. So let us get started. Like I said again, before we get started, click on that first link and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will help this video to get to other people that want to learn how to make money online. So let us get started. I don't want to take your time. Let us head over this way that you can use to start making easy money online. So you click on the first link, it will take you to this my website that you can see on the screen here. It will take you to my website here. So what you need to do on this my blog, you need to scroll down. Just scroll down on this blog. You need to go to a section that say Pico Worker. You can see this website here, which is called Pico Workers. Just follow the flash and click on this visit site here. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this website here, to bring you to this website, which is Pico Worker. So this is the website. It's a very simple website that you can start using in a very simple way. So to start using this website, before you start using it, you can just check the website out. You can see everything that is going on the website. You can just try to read through how the website works, but I will do everything. I will show everything to you how the website works, but I'm just showing you around for you to see the homepage of the website and the interface and how the website looks. So that is how the website looks, and if you want to go more details, you can just check it. But we'll just go straight to a way on how you can make money online, because that is the reason why we are here. So first part is to sign up. So to sign up, we just need to click on this sign up button. So click on the sign up button. It will take you to where you have to enter your username and enter your first name, email address, password, enter your nickname at the bottom here, and select your country, and you move down. You accept that I agree to the Pico Worker terms and conditions, terms of service and privacy policy, and here you can uncheck this thing. If you want to receive email from them, you can just click on it to uncheck this too. And if you don't want to receive email from them, you can just click make sure it's unchecked. And once you are through with that, click on sign up, and they will send you a verification email that you have to click. If you click on this email, your account will be verified. So once your account has been verified, you need to cancel that page, close the page. Once you close the page, come back to Pico Worker and click on log in. So once you click on log in on Pico Worker, here you are going to enter your email address and enter your password, and you click on log in. So once you click on log in, it will log you in. It will just take let me say a seconds. It can take seconds or take a little bit time, and let me say in just a seconds your account will be open and you can start taking tasks and making money for completely free. As you can see, my account just opened. As you can see here, my current balance is almost 20 cents, and yeah, my current balance is 20 cents. So you can see the money I have spendable, which is the money I can spend, can use to do offers on Pico Worker, which is not the reason why we are here. I'm here to show you how you can make money with Pico Worker. Here is pending. You can see pending. Let me say you have done, and if you complete any task, you see pending at this part here. The section you see pending here. You can see it. Watch my mouse. You can see pending, and that is what you need to know concerning those tabs you see at the top here. While this part here, you can see paid survey. You can see a paid survey task that you can do. If you want to do that, they will pay you for completing all those survey online here on Pico Workers. So once you click on it, you see the surveys you can do. There are 12 surveys you can do here that will pay you real cash, and you can refer people to this program and you get paid. You can get paid up to 5% from their earning if you refer people to this program, and you can deposit fund if you want to do advertisement on Pico Worker. That is not the reason why we are here. So the reason why we are here now, we'll head over to the reason why we are here is to make money with Pico Worker. So how do you make money on Pico Worker? So you can see on all those tabs here, all those you can see level, category, subtitle, subcategory, and payment, and location, and AMP status, stats, which is status. So you can select the location where you want to be doing offers from. You want to do offers from US, you can click here and select Africa, Asia, or you want to be doing you can see how where the continent that you can do offers from. You can see Africa, Asia, Caribbean, if it's Caribbean, yes, European West, and European East, international, Latin America, and Muslim countries, and US, and Western. So you can see all those countries. Once you select any one of those countries, you click apply. The surveys that will appear is the survey that is from that particular area of country or that area of nation. So that is how these areas work here. So if you click on payment, you can see you can increase how much you want the surveys you want to be taking, how much you want them to be. So you can see that you can make $1 for just a second for just doing a very simple task. So you can do $2 to $1 for just completely task. You can just click on it, enter the minimum range of amount you want to be seeing, the task you want to be seeing, and click on apply. You can be able to do that, and you have access to all those a minimum amount of range that you can apply for of work. So on the categories here, you can see that you can do sign up, you can do search and clicks, you can do video marketing, which is to watch video on YouTube, you can do Facebook like, Facebook share, Twitter like, Twitter retweet, Instagram like, Instagram follow, and a lot of things you can do. You can do promotion videos, and you can do Yahoo answer question, and you can do forum, which is you fill up a form, and you can do computer programming if you want to edit video on PC. You can do a lot of things. I can't even go through everything. You can even write article for people and they pay you. You can write article, you can install application on mobile, they pay you. You can you can create a blog or create a website for people, they pay you. You can leaderboard. If you click on leaderboard, you see a task that you can do under leaderboard session. So that is everything you can do here. So let us say if we want to do a Facebook like, we just need to come here and want to like people post, and we get paid. Just click on this section here that says Facebook and click on apply. So once you click on apply here, now it's going to show you categories that is available on Facebook likes. So as you can see, I think we have only one category here that is in Facebook like. If you click on it here, you can see that we can go and use this website. So let us see how much we are going to make. About 20 cents. We are going to make 20 cents. You can see we are going to make 20 cents here for just doing the task here. So you can see what they are. If you come down here, you see worker is expected, what is expected from worker. So you can copy this link here. You see copy the link, go and open this video, and go and open. You will say step 1, go to this link. Step 2, open the video and get the transaction ID and update, and transaction ID and date, and like the you can like the link. Click this one here, you click on it, you copy this link, you open it too, and you can go and complete the offer. I say please do not send fake proof, and thanks for doing the job and have a nice day. So that is only what they want from you. Once you are through watching the video, all you just need to do here is to come back to this place, and you say require proof that task was complete. You say write the transaction ID and date. So you write the transaction ID and date here, and Here you enter the submit your proof. Here you can submit the transaction ID and date. Enter it here, and once you enter it here, you come down here, you click on submit, and the task will be submitted because you have done the task. And that is how it works. So let me say you are having problem, how you can copy this link. Just copyright it back and click here, and you can click go to link. So once you click go to link, it will take you directly to this website that they are telling us to open on the web. So you see now that the website is opening. So when the website open, that is when you will see everything that you can do on the website. You can watch the video and copy the your user ID, no, the transaction ID, and you go and send it to them. So that is how it works. You just click on it and click on copyright it and click on open, and it will open on a new web, and you can go and send them the transaction ID for everything once you are through liking the video or liking the Facebook page. That is, so to do other tasks too, we just need to click here again and select other category. Let us say sign up category. Click on sign up category, click on apply. You will see that sign up category will pop up here, or a lot of sign up category will pop up here. As you can see, you can make 10 cents, 60 cents, you can make 60 cents, 10 cents. You can make continuously, the money keep on going. You can see that you can make a lot of money. You can see the money range here. You can see how much you can make here. So you can see that you can just make about 80 cents, 10 cents for just liking a post, for just following people on Instagram, and you can make money with that way. You can sign up a form. This person is going to pay you 80 cents for signing up a form. And once you click on the form here, you click on it, it will open entirely just like I showed you before. It will open, and it will ask you to it will tell you what they expect. So you scroll down. Once you open the task here, you scroll down. First you scroll down, you see the requirement of the task. It say what is expected from workers. So you see it at the bottom here, what you have to do. Copy this URL like I showed you and open it in a new web. And yeah, you copy this and you open it in a new web. And once it's open, you can complete the task. You need to sign up a form, entering your email and address, entering your name and address. Enter your name and email address, and check your email for confirmation of this task. So once you are through with that, you will send them your requirement proof that task was finished. So here you are going to enter your email, and you have to enter your email. And once you have entered your email, and you come down here, you send them your proof, which is what I say. You have to enter your email and other things you use as proof that you have verified your account. Send them screenshots of the task that you have completed. Just do a screenshot from your computer or your smartphone and send it to them, and click on submit. And when they review it, they will see that you have completed the task, and they will release this 80 cents to you. It will now be showing end on your account. So that is how you can complete task. And you already know how you can complete task and get paid. You can even make more than $100 if you are doing this method, because it's very simple. It's very simple and easy, and you don't need to stress over it. You are the one in charge, and you decide the time you want to work and the time you don't want to work. So if you click here again, you click on videos here, videos marketing here, you can click on apply. You can see that people can watch video, like you can go and subscribe to people channel and do all those kind of things, and you are going to be making money at the end of the day. So as you can see on this website, on this LBROL, you can watch this video and plus follow, and you send proof to them. And if you scroll down too, you can see other things too that you can do on this website. You can see 50 cent, 50 cent, 40 cent, 40 cent, 40 cent, 40 cent. It keep on going. You can even see that they pay you $1 for this. So all you just need to do is to go and watch the video. You can see what they say: watch video plus subscribe and share. So you will make $1 for watching video, subscribing to the watching the video and subscribing, and you share the video. You are going to make $1. So that is how much you will make from this from that one. You can see this one: to watch video, subscribe and share, you are going to make $1. So you can see that you can make a lot of money with this method. You can see watch video, you can make watch this one. You can only watch the video, and you send them proof that you watch the video, and you are going to make 10 cents. This one, you are going to watch the video plus subscribe and share. You are going to make 94 cents, which is almost $1. So it keep on going again. All you just need to do is to go and start using this website, which is called Pico Worker, and start making free money online. You can see how you can make $1 for just watching video, subscribing to people channel, following people, and you are making money. I'm not showing you any scam video here. I'm showing you proof that people are making money with this method. As you can see, everything that they are saying is proof, and once you do the task, you will receive your money. You can see a lot of ways that you can use to make money from this channel here. So that is it, guys. We are going to go close to the end of this video. Let me show you how you can cash out your money. Let me say you have the minimum amount wage of how you can cash out. How can you cash out your money? You just need to click on this section here that say wallet. Once you click on wallet here, you will see that you can be able to cash out your money into your PayPal account, and you can see PayPal, credit card, and other ways of your choice that you can use to cash out your money, even Bitcoin, airtime top up, and amount to transfer. That is wire. And you can see once you click on withdraw here, you can see the amount you have withdrawn, the recent withdraw, and the total amount that is available for you to withdraw, and you will see everything below here. So that is how you can transfer your money into your bank account or into your paper account while you are using Pico Worker. So you already know now how you can transfer your money into your into your paper account and use it to do whatever you want. So what is the next things to do now? All you just need to do is to go to Pico Worker and start using the step by step that I showed you just now to start making money for completely free. I hope Pico Worker help you. If it help you, I want you to leave it in the comment section below. It's a very simple website, and you don't even need, it's not a complicated website that you can see and like you hold your head, where will I start from? It's a very simple website. So go right now and start using Pico Worker to start making free money online. You can see how you can make $1, $2 continuously, as you can see on the screen right now. You can make a lot of money for just doing very simple tasks. So that is how it works, guys. Thank you very much, and peace out. See you soon a way on how you can make money online, and bye bye. And thank you very much. Like I say again, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to again to follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook page. Peace out and bye bye.